Looking to upgrade your photography or vlogging gear? Sony offers some of the most advanced and user-friendly cameras on the market, perfect for everyone from beginners to professionals. Whether you're capturing cinematic 4K videos, stunning stills, or live streaming on the go, these top 5 best Sony cameras combine cutting-edge tech, superb image quality, and versatile features to elevate your creative journey. Number 1. Sony ZV-E10 Vlog Camera. The Sony ZV-E10 is a powerful compact camera tailored for vloggers and content creators who demand quality and convenience. One of its standout features is the ultra-wide 20mm lens, capturing expansive shots, even at arm's length, perfect for selfies or wide scenic backgrounds. Equipped with a large 1-inch sensor and a bright f2.0 lens, the ZV-E10 excels in low-light environments and produces beautiful defocused backgrounds, giving your videos a professional look. Whether you're filming indoors or in dim lighting, expect crisp and vibrant footage. Autofocus is a breeze with IAF and autofocus tracking technology, keeping your face sharply in focus even during movement. Framing your shots is effortless with the side-articulating touchscreen LCD, ideal for selfie shooting and real-time adjustments. Audio quality matches the stunning visuals thanks to a directional 3-capsule mic and an included windscreen accessory, ensuring clear voice recording even outdoors. Lightweight and incredibly user-friendly, the Sony ZV-E10 is a superb all-in-one solution for vloggers who want top-tier performance without carrying bulky gear. It's smart, sharp, and simply built for storytelling. Number 2. Sony A7S III Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. The Sony A7S III is a powerhouse mirrorless camera that strikes the perfect balance between professional-grade performance and everyday usability. At its core is an advanced 24.2 MP back-illuminated full-frame XMOR ARCMOS sensor, delivering 1.8x faster readout speed and capturing stunningly detailed images with a 15-stop dynamic range and support for 14-bit uncompressed RAW. With an ISO range of 50 to 204,800, it performs brilliantly in both bright and low-light environments. Speed is another highlight, with up to 10 frames per second continuous shooting using either silent or mechanical shutter, all while maintaining precise AF tracking. Its 693 phase detection and 425 contrast detection AF points cover 93% of the image area, ensuring fast, accurate focus even with moving subjects. In the box, you'll find the SEL2870 lens hood, caps, NPE FZ100 rechargeable battery, AC adapter, shoulder strap, body and accessory caps, eyepiece cup, and micro USB cable, giving you everything you need to get started. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a passionate hobbyist, the Sony A7S III delivers premium quality, speed, and reliability, making it a top choice for photography and videography enthusiasts alike. Number 3. Sony Alpha ZV-E10 Mirrorless Vlog Camera. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is a game-changer for content creators, blending pro-level features with ease of use. At its heart is a 24.2 MP APS-C XMOR CMOS sensor paired with the fast Beyond-X processor, delivering stunning image quality, rich detail, and excellent low-light performance. Video creators will love its 4K video recording, oversampled from 6K with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, ensuring crisp, high-resolution footage with vibrant colors and sharp details. The product showcase setting is a standout feature for reviewers and unboxers, seamlessly shifting focus between your face and held objects for professional-looking transitions. For creators who want cinematic background blur, the background defocus button instantly switches between sharp and defocused backgrounds with a single press. Streaming is also effortless. Just connect via USB to your computer or smartphone for plug-and-play live streaming, no extra gear or software needed. Compact, lightweight, and packed with features, the ZV-E10 is ideal for vloggers, streamers, and video enthusiasts looking for a powerful, user-friendly mirrorless camera that delivers impressive results straight out of the box. Number 4. Sony Alpha 7 for full-frame mirrorless camera. The Sony Alpha 7 IV redefines what hybrid creators can expect from a mirrorless camera. It features a high-resolution 33MP full-frame XMOR back-illuminated CMOS sensor, capturing exceptional detail and dynamic range in both photos and videos. Powered by the next-gen Beyond XR image processor, which is 8x faster than its predecessor, the A7 IV delivers lightning-fast performance, responsive autofocus, and improved image rendering. Video capabilities are a standout, offering up to 4K 60p 10-bit for :2. 2 recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, ensuring rich color depth and sharp clarity. It also supports 7K oversampling for stunning 4K 30p footage, making it a top choice for professional filmmakers and YouTubers alike. The inclusion of the S-Cinetone color profile allows for effortless cinematic color straight out of the camera, ideal for quick edits and consistent results. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or documentaries, the Alpha 7 IV offers premium quality and creative flexibility. Built for professionals and serious hobbyists, the Sony A7 IV combines next-level imaging, intuitive design, and outstanding video performance in one powerful package. Number 5. Sony Alpha A6400 Mirrorless Camera. The Sony Alpha A6400 is a compact yet powerful mirrorless camera designed for photographers and vloggers seeking speed, accuracy, and creative control. It features a 20.1 MP stacked back-illuminated 1-inch XMOR RS-CMOS sensor with DRAM, paired with a large aperture 24 to 70mm f1.8 2.8 size Vario Sonor T lens, delivering outstanding image quality and beautiful background blur. Autofocus performance is a major strength, with 425 phase detection and 425 contrast detection points covering 84% of the sensor, ensuring fast and accurate focus on any subject. It also offers up to 11 frames per second continuous shooting at full 24.2 MP RAW resolution, capturing fast-moving scenes with rich, natural colors. For video creators, the A6400 supports versatile movie functions including time-lapse, slow motion, and quick motion, no post-processing needed. The tiltable LCD screen is ideal for vlogging, selfies, or professional filming, offering flexibility in all shooting angles. In the box, you'll find essentials like the NP-FW50 battery, AC adapter, shoulder strap, and micro USB cable. With 1200 zone evaluative metering, the A6400 is precise and reliable for any lighting situation. Compact, versatile, and intelligent, the A6400 is built to keep up with your creative vision.